Magandang gabi po sa ating mga kapwa OFW na nandito sa bansang Kuwait ngayon. Kung natandaan nyo yung isang araw, yung pinost ko na isang domestic helper na nanganak dito sa bansang Kuwait, ay nagsalita na po yung employer niya. Kasi marami kasing ibang mga tao na nagbabas sa kanya. So, para talaga ay maging maayos tong issue na to dahil kay Genalyn, ayun, yung nanganak sa bahay ng employer niya. Yung mismo ang employer talaga niya ang magsasalita. So pakinggan natin yung employer na magsasalita ngayon. So ito na po.
Hi everybody, how are you? What the story happened about Gina? Gina, she's working our house for years and she's like our family. If we are not good, she don't stay for years, okay? The day before 3 days, she ran away and then she come back. When she come back, she ring the bell. My other maid opened the door for her and then the baby come out. We take her to the hospital. We was surprised, very surprised, because nothing showed that she's pregnant. And if she tell for me, I will let her go Philippines without anybody know, without my mother know, because my mother sick, without my mother know, without anybody know. But she didn't tell for me. And we take her to the hospital. The hospital give us her passport and don't worry. Next day, I go to the hospital. I take dress for the baby because the baby, he's poor. Haram. Yani, what's his mistake? He come this world, his father ran away and he leave him and he go to Egypt. And his mother, she don't know what she do. But they don't allow us to go inside to see Gina. And they tell the baby in the ICU because his head fall down when she bring him
coming outside.
Yeah. And we give her her dress and everything is good. Don't tell something you don't know.
Yeah.
Don't hear something you don't know. Okay? If we are not good, she don't stay for years in this house. She can go, she can run away, she can go to the embassy. And this all the story. We don't know we don't know the true story about the father. We don't know if he is the man Egyptian. We don't know anything. I talked to her sister. Her sister was very surprised because I told her, did you know that she's pregnant? She tell, I don't know anything. Not me, I know, not my mother, no, not her husband, because Gina, she have husband. Her family also was shocked. How she have a boyfriend and she's married. I don't know if Philippine can, in our Islam, in our culture, it's not good, this situation. And thank you. And Gina, don't tell a bad word about this Gina because she's my sister. Please, if you don't know something, don't talk. Bye-bye.
Thank you po sa panonood. Yun po yung katotohanan na sinabi po ni
Thank
Madam.
you, guapa and guapo.
Thank you po sa lahat ng nanonood. Lahat po ng mga post
Just
ko.
pray for the baby and he become good, inshallah.
Yeah.
Ayun, napakinggan na natin yung employer ni Genalyn. Sobrang bait, 'di ba? So kung ibang employer 'yon, so siguro hindi na magsasalita ng ganun. Pero siya, nagsasalita talaga yung employer niya. Sobrang bait talaga at sabi nga niya doon na nakakalabas nga daw pupunta embassy at tinatawagan pa yung pamilya niya para daw ay clarify kung buntis pa talaga pero hindi rin alam ng pamilya ni Gina. So, yun. Pero sobrang bait talaga. Sabi nga ng amo rin niya na wag sa mga basher niya kasi marami nga nagbabas din sa kanya na wag daw magsalita ng hindi maganda kasi hindi niyo daw alam kung ano yung nangyayari. So kaya nga nagbigay siya ng ang pahayag talaga yung employer niya. So dito na lang po tayo mga kabisdak at sana masubaybayan nyo po yung mga videos ko at God bless po sa ating lahat mga kapwa kong OFW lalo na dito sa bansang Kuwait.